Hi guys, welcome back to Emerge Kenya TV. Thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate your support and you joining us. Thank you so much. So today guys, we're gonna be showing you the Nairobi Eastern Bypass. So please join us, and in the next few episodes we're gonna be showing you more of that. So enjoy and be on the lookout. Guys, please remember to like, to share, and to leave us a comment. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Nairobi Eastern Bypass is part of the ring road of bypasses around Nairobi in a move to decongest downtown Nairobi and the city, and it runs from City Cabanas on Mombasa Road to Thika Road, also known as Thika Superhighway at Ruiru, Kenya. In this video, we'll be highlighting the interchange at Kangudo Road in Ruiru, Kenya, as we show you the progress of this highway. And at this interchange, they had to construct a bridge. And as you can see, they have made a lot of progress, and this bridge looks almost done. Nairobi Eastern Bypass was first opened to the public in 2014 as a single lane highway, and since then it has triggered population growth and also increase in traffic on this highway. And in 2017 a decision was made for this highway to be expanded into a dual highway. It wasn't until 2021 that the expansion of this 28-kilometer highway was started at a cost of 12.5 billion Kenya shillings. So guys, we are looking to grow this channel, and the only way we can do that is by your support. And the way you can do that is by sharing, liking, leaving us a comment, and subscribing if you haven't. This way we are able to reach more people and grow the channel. Thank you so much. Keep watching and be on the lookout as we bring you more updates on this highway as it nears completion. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate that. Please remember to share, like, leave us a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Have a good day, be kind, and until next time, bye bye.